안녕하세요 친구들, Jham입니다. 내 채널 다시 오신 것을 환영합니다. My inspiration for today's nail art is Permission to Dance by BTS, and it's mainly inspired by this. Okay, so first I'm applying 2 coats of my favorite peel-off base coat. But you can totally use any base coats you want. Then I'm applying a white nail polish. You can also skip this part and just proceed with an orange base color. I couldn't find a deep orange shade from my collection, so I ended up with a brighter one. Then let it all to dry. Next, I'm painting the random noodles on my nails with white acrylic paint and brush. Then after that, it's time to paint them with colors. After that, I added the black and white details. After letting them all to dry, it's time to apply top coat. And that's it. That's how I did my Permission to Dance by BTS inspired nail art. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. 크게 오늘의 여러분, 비디오를 봐주셔서 감사합니다. 다음 비디오에서 만나요. 안녕!